Looking for a cheat sheet Chinese New Year recipe with minimal cooking? This chilled Shabu Shabu will get you the thumbs up from your family and friends. You only need 7 ingredients from Giant to pull this off. This recipe doesn't require expensive ingredients. Instead, uses simple yet wholesome produce. The 2-star ingredients for this recipe are spinach or 青菜, which equates to fa, and pork shabu shabu, which means 过一个大肥年. First, bring a large pot of water to boil. Blanch the spinach leaves for 10 seconds and refresh in cold water. Drain and transfer to serving dish. The pork slices from Giant has a nice tender texture, so you don't need to spend extra time to tenderize the meat. Remember to blanch the shabu shabu pork slices quickly in the same pot of water and refresh with cold water. Drain and set on top of the blanched spinach. Drizzle roasted sesame dressing over the pork and spinach. Add the diced century egg, sesame seeds, wolfberries, and garnish with pork floss before serving. And it's done! You get bright colors, the fragrance from the sesame seeds and pork floss, as well as a tinge of sweetness from the pork and wolfberries. A festive yet inexpensive everyday dish that you can whip up in minutes. This dish costs under $10 and is good for 4 persons. Giant offers a great selection of essentials at lower prices that last, as well as an ongoing Chinese New Year promotion. You can save more and make a fuss-free dish at the same time.